Good day, everyone. Today we are going to continue the discussion on bolted connections. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to learn how bolts or rivets are analyzed when subjected to eccentric loads, specifically in a riveted or bolted connection where the applied load does not pass through the centroid of the bolt group, creating a torsional moment in addition to the direct shear. So dito class sa illustration natin, we have this load P which is eccentric. Pagka sinabi natin class na eccentric, meaning yung load natin does not act through the centroid of the bolt group. So by inspection, yung centroid nitong apat na bolts is ito kasi meron siyang symmetry. So madali lang natin ma-identify yung centroid pagka ganito yung bolted connection. So, pag eccentric loads class, this creates two effects. Yung unang effect is the direct shear. So, ibig sabihin, the force P, tong force P is assumed to be shared equally among all bolts. So, each bolts will carry P over 4. So, yung force P paghahatiin sa number of bolts equally. Then, yung second effect nito is the torsional moment, which is M is equal to P times E. Since meron kang ang eccentricity, so tawag ditong is eccentricity. So, yung P mo is magmo-moment siya about the centroid. So, by inspection, yung load P, yung direction ng moment niya is clockwise. Tama? So, yung gagawin ng bolts dyan is i-resist siya by counterclockwise moment. So, we have this formula para sa components ng torsional force. So, PTX is equal to M times Y over the summation of x squared plus the summation of y squared. Then, PTY is equal to M times X over the summation of x squared plus the summation of y squared. So, gusto ko lang class na i-emphasize kung saan galing yung summation x squared plus summation y squared. Actually, class, galing yan sa polar moment of inertia na mas kilala natin sa deform as dj is equal to the moment of inertia about x-axis plus the moment of inertia about y-axis. So, yung moment of inertia ng circle, di ba ito yung kailangan ng moment of inertia, yung mga resisting bolts. So, nandito yung centroid niya. Then, ito naman yung centroid ng bolt group. So, ang ginagawa natin is nagkakaroon tayo ng AD squared para mag-transfer ng axis. So, yung IX dyan, actually, nineneglect na lang yan sa computation kasi maliit na masyado yung values niyan. No? Kaya naka-cancel out na lang yan. Then, same with this one. Kaya yung natira is ito. Yung x squared. Then, sa IY naman, so same din. AD squared. Yung D squared dyan is yung Y squared. Yung distance vertical ng rivet papunta dun sa centroid. So, maneneglect na din to, pati ito. Kaya ito na yung pinaka-formula ng polar moment of inertia sa bolted connection. Next is the force carried by rivet or bolt. So we have this formula R is equal to square root of the quantity of PDX plus minus plus minus PTX close parenthesis squared plus the quantity of PDY plus minus PTY squared. So, ito naman class yung naging diagram ng mga forces natin. So, let's apply this concept by providing an example. So, let's solve a problem. So, sa sample problem natin, so from the figure shown, bolt diameter is